Namaste, friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic: third eye versus AI, a comparative analysis of the powers and limitations of the third eye in AI, or artificial intelligence. We will see how these two forces can be compared and what their benefits and limitations are. So, stay with us till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First, let's try to understand what the third eye is and how it works. The third eye refers to the Ajna chakra located in the middle of our brain. This chakra activates our mental abilities and provides us with spiritual vision. The power of the third eye lies in its ability to unlock the deep secrets of our subconscious mind. When the third eye opens, a person can attain higher knowledge, foresight, and powerful intuition. However, opening the third eye is a difficult process that requires long periods of meditation, practice, and discipline. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the marvel of modern science. Artificial intelligence is a technology that creates human-like intelligence in computer systems or robots. AI can process large amounts of data, solve problems, and make decisions. AI is unique in data analysis, prediction, and accuracy. It can work faster and more efficiently than humans. However, the limitation of AI is that it cannot fully understand human emotions and creativity. It does not rely on human intuition and sensitivity. Now, let's compare the powers of the third eye and AI. First, knowledge and intuition. The third eye is the source of self-realization and higher knowledge for an individual. It is based on a person's experience and meditation. On the other hand, AI can provide accurate results by analyzing large amounts of data. This analysis is based on mathematical and statistical methods. The accuracy of the third eye depends on a person's meditation and practice, and it is not easy for everyone. AI, however, is solely based on statistical analysis and is unable to make spiritual predictions. Prediction and foresight. The third eye can make predictions and foresee potential events. It is based on a spiritual perspective. AI, on the other hand, can process large amounts of data to make highly accurate predictions. It is based on the analysis of historical data and trends. The accuracy of the third eye's predictions depends on a person's self-realization and depth of meditation. AI, however, makes predictions solely based on data and cannot incorporate a spiritual perspective. Emotional intelligence. The third eye can awaken a person's emotional intelligence. It helps in understanding a person's inner emotions and sensitivities. AI can analyze emotions but cannot experience them. It is based on natural language processing, or NLP, and sentiment analysis. The third eye is entirely based on experience and self-realization and does not rely on external data or analysis. AI is unable to fully understand real human emotions and lacks sensitivity. Both the third eye and AI have their own limitations. Now, let's look at these limitations in comparison. First, let's talk about practice and discipline. Opening the third eye requires long periods of meditation, practice, and discipline. Not everyone can achieve this. On the other hand, developing and refining AI requires high-level technical knowledge and resources. It is an expensive and complex process. Next, let's look at emotional connection. The emotional connection of the third eye depends on a person's self-realization and inner feelings. AI can analyze emotions but cannot have real human experiences. It is limited to superficial analysis. Both the third eye and AI have their own strengths and limitations. The third eye symbolizes self-realization, higher vision, and intuition, while AI is the result of modern science and technology. In comparing these two elements, we should understand that the third eye is the result of a spiritual journey, while AI is a product of modern science and technology. I hope you liked this analytical comparison. Please share your thoughts and feedback in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, namaste.